We have a test and tune event at our local drag strip in Gainesville coming up in a few weeks, and we are still waiting on parts to fix our alternator and a few other things. So today we're going to give the tag some love. The car's pretty plain looking, other than the fact that there's a giant intercooler hanging off the front and the exhaust coming out of the hood. That's not enough. So these are some cheap, I'm assuming eBay headlights that, I mean, I could care less what happens to them. So I think you can see where this is going. That's right, boys. I'm gonna try to do a headlight intake. It's a pretty clear straight shot to the turbo, so this should be pretty fun. Here's everything we got. We got a Dremel to kind of smooth everything out, some Dremel attachments, a bunch of hole saws, but really we're not even probably going to use any of these. We just needed it for the adapter for our big boy hole saw, the 3-inch. 3-inch will fit pretty much perfect. Pretty cool. And then we've got some piping that desperately needs to be cleaned up. Let's get to it. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is remove the headlight to see how much of it we can save, so that there's not too much destruction from the hole saw. If you watched my downpipe video, you'll remember that fiasco. And basically, long story short, I should probably never use a hole saw again. But yet, here we are. Right, the headlight's almost out. There's only 4 bolts holding it in. I don't know why I'm using this. What in God's name is that? We've got mysterious wires plugged into the bottom of our housings. What in the world? Somebody manually installed these 2 little holes in the bottom of our headlights that most certainly should not be there. Again, good thing that these are eBay knockoffs. Where does this go to? What in the world? Oh man, guys, they're spliced into our harness. All right, there we go. We got one headlight assembly. We're gonna flip it over and see how much we can take apart. All right. So I was hoping that this would all kind of just be bolted in together and not glued together, but it doesn't look like it is. Let's get the old bulb out of there. There's that. It almost looks like a 3-inch hole saw would like nearly be perfect on the back end here. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna try and cut it all at once. Screw it. All right, now that that's cut, we gotta cut the inside. All right, inside's cut out. Gotta get all the confetti out of the inside there. But as you can see, the halo is still intact, which is pretty sick. I didn't even really intend for that to happen, but I'm gonna see if we can't wire it up to still work. All right, here's kind of what we're at now. Gotta clean it up a little bit, get the scragglers out of there, and then test fit pipe in there. And it fits in there pretty snug. Pretty sick. Right about there looks pretty good. These headlights are not perfectly circle, they're more like an oval. But let's try this. Plastic gets pretty hot. I'm gonna go over it with the Dremel to try to smooth out the edge. All right, she's all Dremeled out. Let's get her back installed. Ooh, baby, it looks good. Before we start adding the intake pipe, I'm gonna resplice our Angel halo lights, see if they still work. So here is the section of piping that we're gonna use. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off right before the welds. This is 3" in diameter, so it fits pretty much really snug in the headlight. Alright guys, went ahead, cut up all the pipes and everything that we needed, fabbed everything up, and well, check it out. It came out freaking perfect. I love it. It's a little ghetto when you pop the hood and really look, but I couldn't have asked for better fitment. This is exactly what I was wanting when I was doing this, when I started this. It just looks so cool. You know, I'm pretty brave for a guy who lives in a state that rains pretty much every single day. Tell me guys, what do you think? Leave a comment. So it's all buttoned up and everything now, but I want to come back outside later tonight to test and see how the halo ends up looking. I think it'll look really cool. I think it's dark enough out here. Oh. Hey, can somebody comment, is that chime OEM? I don't think I've ever heard it on any other car but this one. Anyways. Look at that. That is freaking crazy looking. Let me turn the lights on. Shoot. Guys, look at it. It looks so cool. I think it turned out awesome, guys, but it's getting pretty late out here, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.